To be an LLC or not to be? That is the question. So people often come to us looking to set up a company, but are not sure what kind of entity to structure. If it's a smaller company, if they're maybe professional services or consultants, they're wondering, okay, do we start as an LLC or an S Corp? And this is a question that is really nuanced because there's no really right answer to this question. It depends on where you are and what your goals are with your company. So if you are just starting out, an LLC is obviously easy to get started. There's a lot less administrative efforts involved. You don't have to set up any kind of payroll, especially if it's just you. But as you start to make money, you're going to realize that you're going to be paying a lot in self-employment taxes. And that's where an S corporation could come in. An S corporation has a unique feature. You could actually save on self-employment taxes because what you do is you have to make yourself an employee. And with an LLC, you cannot be an employee of that LLC unless you make the S election. So with a S Corp, you set it up and then you make yourself an employee, and the requirement is that you pay yourself a reasonable salary. That is obviously up for interpretation, but the IRS is going to say, okay, what do people performing similar services get paid in your industry? And you need to pay yourself something close to that. So you need to pay yourself a reasonable salary, and then the distributions you get outside that salary are not subject to self-employment tax. So that could be really advantageous as you start to make more money. But again, this doesn't really kick in unless your income is really exceeding 100,000, 150,000, some might argue. So if you're looking to set up a company and not sure where to go, think about what are the realistic revenue goals that you're going to hit, and whether you're okay with the additional administrative elements of an S corporation, meaning payroll, and also you have to look at state filing taxes as well. So these are things to think about as you are structuring your company. If you have questions, please reach out. We love to chat. Like, follow, share for more. I'm Pankaj Raffel with Carbon Law Group.